But that's another thing about these Baltimore people. Like, a lot of these Baltimore people, Jordan, like, you can tell them a lot of stuff, but they do not be open to suggestions. Me, I'm open to suggestions, especially from my stylish friends, because, I mean, like, shit, you can't think of everything, but then they just steal ideas and don't be creative, and I don't know.
Especially when you have friends and all y'all like nice stuff, y'all all, even though y'all all might dress different, y'all all think the same shit is cheap. Like,
I agree.
I feel like as a designer, a lot of designers probably, they get so caught up in, like you said, with styles that they forget, like, you still have style too. And most of the time, people want to be you. So if you wear some shit and it's cute, people 9 times out of 10 want to mimic.
What up, boss Don? It's your boy Curtis Dondino. So, I don't seem like I'm on some Stevie J shit. Anyway, you know why we here today, bosses? You know why we here today? For these good old, what are these called? Old Skools. I don't know why I thought they would have just been called Skate High Lows. But they're called Old Skools. And, yeah, they pretty much come like nice, white, and fresh. You know, great shoe. I'll definitely show some on-feet action for you. My shoe looks like it has some dust on it, maybe some glitter. I don't know who might have tried those on. They do not come laced. Maybe I can show you guys how to lace them as well. Yeah, I definitely could take you for a video on. I definitely could take you for a ride on this video. So that's pretty much. Not gonna spend too much time here. Unboxing for this type of shoe is pointless. That was extra, but sometimes you can be extra. You know what I mean? But yeah, so these were about $60. I got an 8.5. Got an 8.5. It's called Old Skools, black and white. Really love the blue and white colorway. Love when it's just like Vans are really, really cool to me right now, especially because of what Jerry Lorenzo and Kanye. You know what I mean? I can post some pictures. Boom, 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 boom. You get what I'm saying? Like what they've been doing. So.
Hey, hey, hey. Ice and Mike and Johnny Cash splash on that stupid bitch. Hey, throw the cash on the bitch. Hey, yeah. Hey, hundreds and 50s and 20s. Hundreds and 50s and 20s. Nigga ain't getting no money. Bad white bitches, no bunnies. Hey, hundreds and 50s and 20s. Hundreds and 50s and 20s. Nigga ain't getting no money. Bad white bitches, no bunnies. Hey, hundreds and 50s and 20s. Hundreds and 50s and 20s. Nigga ain't getting no money. Bad white bitches, no bunnies. Hey, hundreds and 50s and 20s. Hundreds and 50s and 20s. Nigga ain't getting no money. Bad white bitches, no bunnies. Hey.
All my niggas getting money. All your niggas some dummies. All your bitches, they love me. But I only love when she fuck me. Hey, I ain't no rapper, come me on trapper. Fuck with the gang, and you know I'm gon' slap me. Taking off, dumb pussy, nigga. Heard he got work, so you know I gotta get it. Johnny fucking cash, I ain't worried about the shit. Get a whole year, I ain't.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you can, subscribe please. Leave a comment. Like the video. And turn your notifications on. Alright, boss dons. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy yourselves. Enjoy your lives. Enjoy your lives. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your life. Enjoy yourself.
Yo, follow me. Follow me. Follow me!